बेहद राहुल गांधी ने एक बार फिर देश में लोकतंत्र और अभिव्यक्ति की आजादी को लेकर चिंता जताई है। कुछ विदेशी संस्थाओं ने भारत में लोकतांत्रिक स्थिति की आलोचना की, जिस पर राहुल गांधी का कहना है कि भारत में हालात उससे भी बदतर हैं जितना वो अंदाजा लगा रहे हैं। अमेरिका की ब्राउन यूनिवर्सिटी के प्रोफेसर आशुतोष से एक चर्चा के दौरान राहुल गांधी ने कहा कि हमें किसी दूसरे देश की संस्था से लोकतंत्र को लेकर सर्टिफिकेट नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन उन्होंने जो टिप्पणी की है वो बिल्कुल सही है। भारत में इस वक्त हालात उससे भी बदतर हैं जितना उन्होंने सोचा है। राहुल गांधी ने कहा कि चुनाव सिर्फ वोट डालकर किसी को जिताना नहीं होता, इससे सभी संस्थाओं के प्रति एक नैरेटिव तैयार होता है जिससे देश सही तरीके से चल सके। राहुल गांधी ने कहा कि सद्दाम हुसैन और गद्दाफी जैसे लोग भी चुनाव कराते थे और जीत जाते थे, लेकिन तब ऐसा कोई फ्रेमवर्क नहीं था जो उन्हें मिले वोट की रक्षा कर सके।
You cannot separate electoral democracy from institutional frameworks, right? An election is not simply people going and pressing a button on a voting machine. An election is about narrative. An election is about institutions that make sure that the framework in the country is operating properly. Election is about a judiciary that is being fair. Election is about a debate that is taking place in parliament, right? So you need those things for the vote to count. Saddam Hussein and Gaddafi used to have elections. They used to win them. They were actually voting. It wasn't that they weren't voting, but there was no institutional framework to protect that vote. So to me, India is going to find out that it's actually much further down the curve than it thinks and that outsiders think.
वहीं कांग्रेस में उठ रही अलग अलग आवाजों पर राहुल गांधी बोले कि मैं कांग्रेस पार्टी के अंदर उसकी विचारधारा की लड़ाई लड़ रहा हूं, मैं इससे पीछे नहीं हटूंगा। राहुल गांधी ने कहा कि आरएसएस और उसकी नीतियों के खिलाफ मेरी लड़ाई जारी रहेगी। उन्होंने कहा कि करीब 30 साल से मेरे परिवार में कोई व्यक्ति सत्ता में नहीं है, फिर भी ऐसा माहौल बनाया जाता है कि सत्ता हमारे ही पास है। मेरा कांग्रेस में एक रोल है और मैं अपने रोल से पीछे नहीं हटूंगा। राहुल ने कहा कि वो पार्टी के अंदर भी लोकतंत्र लाना चाहते हैं और शुरुआत से ही चुनाव के पक्षधर रहे हैं।
Nobody in my family has been prime minister for since 89, right? 99, so 21 years, no, 30 years, 30 years. But there is an obsession that somehow we are in power, etc., etc. I have a role to play in the Congress party. The role to play in the Congress party is I defend a particular ideological current in the Congress party. And that's I believe strongly in that. I'm certainly not going to say, okay, thank you very much. I will now not defend that ideological position in the Congress just because somebody says I happen to be so-and-so's son. I mean, why should I? Right? Now, question of should other people become leaders? Absolutely. 100%. And I'm more than happy to push as many leaders as possible and make as many of them successful. And that's my record. I, by the way, was never the prime minister of this country. Right? And you can ask anybody in the Congress party, that's all I do all day long. I push people and I help develop people and I push them forward. But I don't take kindly to the idea that just because my father is someone, I now do not have the right to defend my political idea. Why? Why? I mean, why? Just because someone feels that it's inconvenient that I defend the political idea? I'm defending something which I fundamentally believe in. I'm the person in the Congress party who has been pushing elections in the Congress party from day one. I've been mauled in the press because I push elections. Please just do a search on internal democracy in the Congress party and see the amount of abuse I got for it. It's interesting to me. When I'm pushing internal democracy, everybody's saying don't push it. Have you ever heard me say that the Congress party should not have elections? I've never said it. Right? And by the way, the next step, of course, is interesting, which is neither does the BJP have an election, neither does the BSP have an election, neither does any other political party have an election. But for some reason, which I agree with, because I believe that we have a bigger responsibility for some of the reasons that I outlined earlier, I believe that we should absolutely have elections and we should absolutely elect our leaders. But it's interesting to me that that's not something people expect of any other party.
हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और नई अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।